Hello and welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we walked through how to create guardrails using AWS Management Console. In today's video, we will take it a step further and show you how to integrate those guardrails with both Converse and Invoke API. So stick around, this is going to be a fun and practical session. We start by importing Boto3, the official AWS SDK, and JSON, which is used to format request and response data. Next, we create a Bedrock Runtime client. The service name must be a Bedrock Runtime because this API is used to invoke model. This is the model ID. Each model has its own unique ID. Now, this is the Invoke API payload. Here I have defined role as a user, and inside the content I am passing a prompt. The prompt includes the keyword John, which we added to the word filter list. Because of that keyword, the guardrail blocked the content and written the message, sorry, the model cannot answer this question. We have also added parameters to control the model's outputs like max tokens, top P, temperature. These settings let us fine tune how long the response is, how diverse the wording can be, and how creative the model gets. Now we are invoking the model by calling invoke model and passing all the parameter along with the guardrail identifier and guardrail version. The guardrail identifier here is the unique ID of the guardrail. You can create it in the AWS console. The guardrail version refers to the version number of guardrail policy. By default, it starts as a draft, but you can create a version. You will get an actual version number. Now this is a model response that's been blocked by the guardrail. You can experiment with a different prompt to see how the guardrail reacts. Also, if you have provided an email ID, it will automatically mask by the guardrail in response. Now let's call the Converse API. In the messages, we have defined the role and content similar as an invoke payload. And we are also added a system prompt to guide how the model should behave. We have set a parameter and included the guardrail information as well. Here, instead of using a default draft version, I'm passing a guardrail version 2. So you can give as per your version name. If it is 1, you can pass 1, etc. Here is the response we get back from the Converse API. Similarly, you can try this with Invoke Stream and Converse Stream. Give it a shot, and if you have any question, drop them in a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.